Today's topic is differential amplifier. Okay, so this is the basic circuit diagram of differential amplifier. Okay, so suppose at this terminal voltage is V01 and at this terminal voltage is V02, then V output will be nothing but V01 minus V02. Okay, so here both AC source and DC source both are here. So if we analysis of this differential amplifier, so first we do for DC analysis, then we do AC analysis. Okay, so for DC analysis we know that AC source will be deactivated. So here voltage source, so this voltage source will be short circuited and only DC source will be activated. Okay, only DC source will be active. Okay. So for DC analysis, so this source will be deactivated. Okay, so this source is deactivated and only active source is DC source is activated. Okay, so this circuit now becomes this circuit for DC analysis. Okay, so if we see here, this transistor Q1 and Q2 both are identical. So IB1 equal to IB2, assume that is IB. Okay, so both transistors are identical, so IB1 equal to IB2, we assume that this equal to IB. Okay, this equal to IB. Similarly IC1 equal to IC2, assume that IC, that is equal to IC, and IE1 equal to IE2, this will be equal to IE. Okay, and same again GM1 equal to GM2 equal to GM, and here R pi 1 and R pi 2, this equal to infinity. For beta is large, we have to assume that here beta is large, so R pi 1 equal to R pi 2 equal to infinite. Okay, now apply KVL to input loop. So apply KVL in input loop. So this is the loop for input loop. If we apply KVL here, so see this is grounded, so RS1, so 0 minus IB1 into RS1 minus VBE. Okay, minus this current is IE1, this current is I1, both are equal to IE, so total here current is 2IE, so 2IE into RE and minus of VEE. So my equation, KVL equation for input loop is 0 minus IB RS1 minus VBE minus 2IE RE minus of VEE equal to 0. Okay, as we know that IB is very less than IE, so we assume that IE equal to IC, and for this case we neglect the IB. So we have VEE equal minus VBE equal to 2IE RE, so IE equal to IC, this will be equal to VE minus VBE by 2RE. Okay, if we apply KVL to output, KVL to output loop, then this will be VCC minus ICRC minus VCE minus 2IE RE minus of VE equal to 0. So from here we can find the value of VCE. This will be VCC plus VEE minus IC into RC plus 2RE. Okay, so from DC analysis we find the Q point. Q point is nothing but IC and VCE. IC is VE minus VE by 2RE and VCE is VCC plus VEE minus IC into RC plus 2RE. Okay, now we do the AC analysis. If we do the AC analysis, this will be the equivalent circuit for AC analysis. Here all DC source will be deactivated, only AC source will be active. Okay, now we assume that this node voltage is Vx. Okay, so at this node Vx, if we write the KCL equation. So KCL equation is nothing but the sum of all currents at this node equal to 0. So here incoming current is Gm V pi 1 and another incoming current is Gm V pi 2. So this incoming current equal to outgoing current, okay, according to KCL. So Gm V pi 1 plus Gm V pi 2 equal to Vx minus 0 by Ra, that is nothing but that is Vx by Ra. Okay, now we can write V pi 1 as V1 minus Vx. Similarly, V pi 2 will be V2 minus Vx. So we write here V pi 1 equal to V1 minus Vx, V pi 2 equal to V2 minus Vx. Okay, if we put this value in this equation, we get Gm equal to V1 minus Vx plus Gm into V2 minus Vx equal to Vx by Ra. From this equation, we find the value of Vx. If we solve this equation, we get the value of Vx, that will be Ra into Gm into V1 plus V2 by 1 plus 2 Gm into Ra. Okay, so this is the value of Vx. Okay, now we find out the value of V pi 1. So we already know that V pi 1 is V1 minus Vx. Okay, and here we already find the value of Vx, that is nothing but Regm into V1 plus V2 by 1 plus 2 Gm into Ra. Okay, if we simplify this, okay, we get the value of V pi 1 is V1 into 1 plus Gm into Re minus Regm V2 by 1 plus 2 Gm into Ra. Okay, similarly for V pi 2, V pi 2 is nothing but V2 minus Vx. Okay, so V2 minus, put the value of Vx, Re into Gm into V1 plus V2 into by 1 plus 2 Gm into Ra. Okay, again if we simplify this, multiplied by this V2, so V2 plus 2 Gm Re V2, now this minus Regm V1, now plus minus Regm V2. Okay, if we simplify this, we get V pi 2 equal to V2 into 1 plus Gm Re minus Regm V1 by 1 plus 2 Gm Ra. Okay, again if we simplify this, we can write this V pi 2 as V2 plus, okay, this into V2 plus, now this Gm Ra and this Gm Ra are common. If we take the common Gm Ra, so V2 plus Gm Ra into this will be V2 minus V1, so V2 minus V1 by 1 plus 2 Gm Ra. Similarly for V pi 1, V1 plus Gm Re into V1 minus V2 by 1 plus 2 Gm Re. Okay, so from here we find out the value of V pi 1 and V pi 2. Okay, now we at node V node 1. Okay, so at node V node 1, okay, if we write the KCL equation at this node, okay, so we get minus V node 1 by RC equal to Gm V pi 1. Okay, so this current equal to this current is Gm V pi 1 and this current will be 0 minus V node 1 by RC. Okay, so I am writing here minus V node 1 by RC equal to Gm V pi 1. We already find out the value of V pi 1 is V1 plus Gm Re into V1 minus V2 by 1 plus 2 Gm into Ra. We put this value in this equation. Okay, so V node 1 equal to minus Gm Rc into V1 plus Gm Re into V1 minus V2 by 1 plus 2 GM RA. Similarly, if we apply the node at V node 2, we get V node 2 equal to minus GM RC into V2 plus GM RE into V2 minus V1 by 1 plus 2 GM RA. Okay. Now V output is nothing but V naught 1 minus V naught 2. We already find out the value of V naught 1 and V naught 2. Okay. Now simply we put this value V naught 1 and V naught 2 at this equation. Okay. And simplify this equation. Okay. Simplify this equation. So we put the value V naught 1 and V naught 2 here. Okay. So here see, now this minus minus becomes plus, so GM RC into V2 plus GM RE in GM RE V2 GM RE V2 minus this minus GM RE V1. Okay. Now for this minus, so minus V1, okay, plus minus minus GM RE V1, now minus minus plus, so GM RE V2 by 1 plus 2 GM RE. Okay. So from here, if we take common V2 from here, so from here V2 common, so 1 plus GM RE, and here again GM RE V2 GM RE V2, so this becomes 2 GM RE V2. Similarly here GM RE V1 GM RE V1, so total will be minus 2 GM RE V1. So we take common here V2, so 1 plus 2 GM RE here minus V1 and minus 2 GM RE into V1, so we take common V1 outside, so minus V1 into 1 plus 2 GM RE, okay, by 1 plus 2 GM RE. We can write these things here, 1 plus 2 GM RE and 1 plus 2 GM RE are common. We take common this, so GM RC into V2 minus V1 into 1 plus 2 GM RE by 1 plus 2 GM RE. So this both will be cancelled. So we get V output equal to GM RC into V2 minus V1. Okay. So we get V output equal to GM RC into V2 minus V1, or we can write V output equal to minus GM RC into V1 minus V2. Okay. So this is all about the analysis of differential amplifier. Okay. Thanks.